Pro-Collagen Marine Cream has the most beautiful, luxurious cream gel texture, which makes it ideal for a normal to dehydrated, oily and combination skin wanting to see age prevention and anti-aging results. For a skin that is slightly thirstier, drier and more dehydrated, we have Pro-Collagen Marine Cream Ultra Rich. This is all of the same key anti-aging properties to our Pro-Collagen Marine Cream with a richer, more luxurious base. This delivers on exceptional hydration for a skin that needs that extra boost. Both moisturizers can be applied in the morning time, directly onto the décolletage, onto the neck area, sweeping across and up the face, always lifting as we apply our moisturizers around the eye contour and onto the forehead area.